Hello, class. I am sorry that I'm not in class today. I have been having some pretty serious back problems, and so I head back to the chiropractor tomorrow to hopefully get this straightened out. This has been several days working on it, and so I was actually feeling better today, and then all of a sudden it just started hurting again. So anyway, all that to say, I'm not in today, and I am truly, truly sorry. I miss you guys. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. And anyway, I look forward to, if again, I've been saying this a lot, as long as all goes well, I should hopefully see you tomorrow, or at least see you in class. So anyway, here's your work for today. If you wanted to go ahead and do it and not watch the video, you have every right to do that. But this is a video for your work, so basically you get to see how it's worked out. I'm not just going to give you the answers, of course. I do want to show you how it's done so that you know how to do this. Okay, so first question is, okay, if I can get my writing tablet to work. There we go. Okay, in a geometric sequence, the quotient, two consecutive terms, is the same. If the third term of the geometric sequence is 8 and the fourth is 16, what is the second? So basically it's saying if you work in reverse, okay, you divide by 2, but if you work multiply by 2. So anyway, if we know that the fourth term is 16, okay, the third term is 8, everything is being multiplied or divided by the same amount. That's the quotient, that's the geometric sequence. So our answer is 4. All right. Question 2. All right, so we have this function AB where A is 3 and B is 4. That's what all of this means. Okay, if the function f of AB is defined as f of AB equals 2AB minus A plus B. So if I plug in a 3 here, a 4 there, 3 times 4 is 12, times 2 is 24. Okay, so that's going to be 24. That's our first part. And then back over to here, okay, minus 3 plus 4, which is 7. Okay, so if we have 24 minus 7, we have 17. All right. Okay, next question. Now I know some of these are review, some of these are new, some of these are old. All right. I need to fix that. Okay, at the Korean bibs. Okay. Oops, come on. Okay, well anyway, y'all know that's the Korean barbecue taco truck. All right, so let me try to get out. There we go. Okay, so if in this particular, okay, Korean barbecue, all right, taco sell for 99 cents. Okay, Christine only has pennies, dimes, and nickels, dimes, and quarters. If she wants to pay with exact change, what is the least number of coins? Okay, we're going to start with our largest. Those are 3 quarters. Okay, and then our next largest, which is 2 dimes. Okay, so we have 3 quarters, 2 dimes. That gets us up to 95 cents. And 4 pennies, 3 plus 2 plus 4 is 9. All right. What is the perimeter in inches of a square with a side length of 8? Okay, so, okay, fairly simplistic. That's a horrible square. Good grief. Man alive. That's terrible. Let's try this again. All right, so we have 24. Try to fix that, man. Okay, so I have a square, side length of 8, wants the perimeter, so I add up all the way around, and it's 32. All right, next one. Let me try to move these. If x is 3, what is this expression equivalent to? So I have 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 squared is 16. And then I have 3 squared is 9, minus 1 is 8. 16 divided by 8, 2. Okay. Next one. On level ground. Okay. And so this is where you have a ratio. Again, the ACT loves ratios. Okay. All right. So they have a 12-foot pole that casts a 4-foot shadow. How tall is the pole that casts a 12-foot shadow? Okay. Well, one of the things you could look at is that this is 3 times larger, okay, than this. So this would be 3 times larger, so it's 36. Or you can set it up like a ratio. 12 over 4 is equal to, and we'll just pretend like we don't know that side, x is equal to 12. So I have 144x is equal to 4x. Divide both sides by 4. And lo and behold, you get x is 36. Okay. Next question. Oops, don't want to do that. Let me sneak this one back out. Okay. So now, okay, I have 4 tests. Okay. How many points must he earn to get a 90 average? So I know that if I take, right, let me come down here. And if I add all those up, 85 plus 95 plus 93 plus 80. Okay, I've got, and I'll just put them out here so it's easier to kind of see. I don't have a calculator. So I'm having to do these, oops, have to do these in my head. Whoa, oh. Whoa, what is going on? Let me see if I can get rid of all that. Wow. Okay. It just took off and had a mind of its own. So 93 and 80. All right. And so now I have 10 and 13. Carry the 1, 9, 27, 353. All right. Now, if I have one more, okay, that's going to be x is equal to, now if I have 5 total tests, and I want a 90 average, that's going to be 450 points. Well, if I solve for x, I subtract 353 from both sides, my answer is 97. Okay, this next question is a logic question, and I hope that it turns out, or it is formatted the way that it's intended to be formatted. Okay, and so it should be formatted like this. Okay, which of the following, okay, is to be true? All insects that are attracted to honey are ants. Insect I is not an ant. Okay, and then part 3, insect J is attracted to honey. Okay, so we know that all insects that are attracted to honey are ants. Okay, now again, they're trying to get you to see, and they're having a whole bunch of different words up here. Okay, but just look at what each one is. Insect I is an ant not attracted to honey. Well, that would be against this phrase. All insects, okay, that are attracted to honey are ants. Okay, next part. Insect I is an ant is not, okay, I'm sorry. Let me make sure I have that written correctly. Yeah, okay. Insect I is an ant attracted to honey. Okay, well, we know that insect I is not an ant, so it can't be that one. Okay, then we say insect I is attracted to honey. Well, it wouldn't be an ant. Okay, insect J, okay, is attracted to honey. Well, again, that goes against what these statements are saying. So the only one that falls in line is insect J is an ant. All right, that's the only one that allows for a logical conclusion. Okay, this one hopefully you realize by now. Anytime you see sandwich shop, ice cream shop, something like that, you know that they're offering certain types of ice cream, certain types of toppings. This deals with clothes, all right? So a whole bunch of things. So how many different types of sandwiches are possible? 5 times 3 times 3, okay, which is 45. All right, then this next one, it's a little bit harder, but it's just distribution. 12x minus 132 equals negative 15. I'm going to add 132 to both sides. Divide by 12, that's going to reduce down to 39 over 4. Okay, let me make sure that's right. Yeah, 39 over 4. Because this is negative 132, and when I add it to both sides, okay. All right, next one. Plugging in negative 2 for x. So negative 2 squared is 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. So 36 minus 10 is 26. 26 minus 8, okay, is 18. All right. This is a, if I do this, how do I correct it? While doing a problem on his calculator, Tom meant to divide a number by 2, but instead he accidentally multiplied the number by 2. Which of the following of the calculations could Tom then do to the result on the calculator screen to obtain the result he originally wanted? Okay, so he's got to go back to his original number. Well, instead of dividing by 2, he multiplied by 2. Well, if I want him to get back to his original number, okay, then I need to divide by 4. Okay, divide by 4. And we can put it over here. Okay, let's say that he has 16. Oops, sorry. He has 16. And instead of dividing, okay, which is what he wanted to do, 16 times 2, he multiplied. He needed this, he got this. So what does he need to do to this to get back to here? Divide by 4. All right, last one. Okay. Hi has $100 available to buy USB drives to back up data for his business computers. Okay, I need to put that as that. Okay, to back up data on his business computer, each USB has a price of $8. Hi will pay a sales tax of 7% on the total price of the USB drives. What is the maximum number of USB drives he can buy? All right, so basically what I'm doing is seeing how close I can get. All right, I know 8 times 12 is 96, but if I multiply 96 by 1.07, okay, that's going to push me above $100. So the maximum I can buy is 11. All right, well, that should do it for today. Again, I hope you did the work. Hope you watched the video. I hope you gave yourself a chance to do well and to turn this in and to have good points. If you have any questions, email me, please. And I really do hope to see you on Thursday. Talk to you guys later. Take care.